Does garage door chain need to be tight? Yes, because the chain plays a key role in how your garage door operates. The chain is responsible for lifting and lowering the door, so getting the tension just right is essential. If the chain is too loose, it can cause the door to move unevenly or even fall off the track, creating potential safety hazards. A loose chain also causes more strain on the opener's motor, which can lead to premature wear and tear. On the other hand, if the chain is too tight, it can put unnecessary stress on the motor and other parts of the garage door system, like the gears and springs. This can cause these components to wear out more quickly, resulting in noisy operation and costly repairs. The right amount of tension is key. Ideally, the chain should have just a bit of slack, enough that you can lift it slightly with your fingers, but not so much that it sags too low. It's a good idea to check the tension every few months and make adjustments if needed. If you're unsure how to adjust the chain or notice any problems, it's best to call a professional. Keeping your chain properly tensioned helps the garage door run smoothly and extends the life of your opener. Regular maintenance can save you time and money, keeping your garage door in top shape for years.